Hey guys, so we're making a smoothie for weight loss with zucchinis, apples and strawberries. Make sure to wash your fruits and vegetables and dice them up well so your blender can handle them. First off, I will add my ingredients, my zucchini first. Next I will add my apples. Then I'll add strawberries. Then I'll add my water. Then I'll blend it up till a fine mixture like this, and it's ready to serve. As the weather is getting warmer, I'm going to use ice cubes with this smoothie. This is a smoothie that can help with weight loss. Thanks for watching. Bye.